So, standard 9, we are in polynomials. This is our lecture number 4, exercise 3.2, question 4. Multiply. What to multiply? The first one is 2x and x square minus 2x minus 1. The second one is x raised to 5 minus 1 and x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2. And the third one, I will write here third one. 2y plus 1 and y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. These three questions I have to solve. So solution, 2x this into x square minus 2x minus 1. So that is equal to, by this 2x I will multiply this, this and this. So I will write 2x into x square. Now this is minus minus. This 2x into this 2x. 2x into 2x. Now this minus 2x into 1. That is equal to, now see that we have seen the indices rule in standard 8. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. This is our indices rule. Multiplication if the base is same, addition of the indices. So here 2 and here 1. First of all, I will multiply the number. 2 and here it is 1. 2 ones are 2. So x raised to 1 and x raised to 2, it is 1 plus 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4, x raised to this is 1 and this is plus 1. Multiplication means addition of the indices. The index is here 1, here 1. Minus 2 into 1 is 2 and x. So that is equal to 2 into x raised to 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 4, x raised to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2x, this is over. So here what is that rule? I will write here x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n, so that I can rub that. This is the multiplication rule. Now here this I want to write solution x raised to 5 minus 1 into x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2. Now here it was only the single term to multiply. Here there are two terms, by x raised to 5 and then by minus 1. So I will first of all write it at x raised to 5 into this whole bracket x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2. Now by this I have to multiply. Now this is also there. So minus 1 into x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2. So that is equal to. Now by the single one I will go on multiplying x raised to 5 into x raised to 3. This one. Plus x raised to 5 into 2x raised to 2. This one. Plus x raised to 5 into 2. X raised to 5 into 2. Minus. Minus 1 into this is x raised to 3. Minus 1 into this is minus 2x square. Minus 1 into this is minus 2. That is equal to. This is the multiplication. Multiplication means addition of the indices. X raised to 5 plus 3 plus. Here it is 1, here it is 2. 2 1s are 2. Now of this x raised to 5 multiplication means plus addition of the indices plus. This will be as it is 2x raised to 5 minus this x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus 2. So that is equal to, this is x raised to 8 plus 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5 minus x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus 2. So this part is over now. Now there are no similar terms, no like terms, so I will not do anything. Now I will go for this. Solution for this is 2y plus 1 into y raised to 2 minus 2y raised to 3 plus 3y. So that is equal to, by first of all 2y I will multiply this whole bracket and then by plus 1 I will multiply. So 2y into this whole bracket is y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. By plus 1 now I will have to multiply by plus 1 into y raised to 2 minus 2y cube plus 3y. That is equal to, now this and this, 2y into y square plus, this is plus 2y and this is minus, so it will become minus, so minus 2y into 2y cube. See this 2y is plus, this 2y is minus. First of all, the multiplication of the signs, plus sign and minus sign, multiplication of opposite sign is always negative. So this is over. Now this and this, plus 2y into 3y. This part is over. Now I don't have the place, so I will write this part here. So plus 1 into y square is y square minus this into this is 2y cube and plus this 1 into this is 3y. By multiplying by 1, nothing happens. So hope that you have understood this. Let me see whether you can see the screen or not. I have to adjust the screen somewhat because it is going out of the screen for you. Okay. So what I have done is, I have split up this by 2y to whole bracket, then by plus 1 to the whole bracket, that I have written here. Now by 2y to this, by 2y to this, by 2y to this. And see the signs properly. Now this, 2 here and 1 here, 2 1s are 2. Multiplication means the addition of the indices, here the power is 1. So y raised to this 1 plus this 2. You know the rule, this is the rule. If the base is same, multiplication means addition of the indices. This is what? Minus this 2 into 2 is 4 and this y raised to 1 plus this y raised to 3. Hope that you have understood. Okay. Now this 2 into 3 is 6, y raised to 1 plus y raised to 1. Now this I am writing as it is, plus y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. That is equal to 2y raised to 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 4y raised to 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6y raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 minus 2y raised to 3 and plus 3y. Now I have to see whether there are the like terms. Yes, there are the like terms. This is plus 2y cube, this one. This is y cube term. This is also y cube term. This is plus and this is minus. They will get cancelled out and will remain 0. Now is there any pair for this y raised to 4? No. So this I will write as minus 4y raised to 4 as it is because it doesn't have a pair. Now for this is 6y square plus 1y square is equal to plus 7y square. So this is also over. Now this plus 3y. And what is the degree of the polynomial? Highest power is the degree of the polynomial, the 4. Here the highest power is 8. So degree of this polynomial is 8. Degree of this polynomial is 3. If it is asked, then you will have to state it. Hope that you have understood this question number 4. Now I will go for the next question. Divide the first polynomial by the second. Question number 5. Divide. In that, the first one is x cube minus 64, comma x minus 4. How to divide this? I have to divide this by this. So this is not in the sequence. X cube, x square, x, they are missing. So x cube plus 0x square, I will write it here. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. In the sequence I will write. If you don't write, no problem. Divided by x minus 4. Why I have written like this? Because x cube and 64, there are these two terms, x square and x1. 0x square is nothing but 0 plus 0x is 0. Means it is x cube minus 64. It is a way of writing this. Now how to solve this? I will teach you. X cube, this is the first term, x cube, divided by this x, divided by x. Division means subtraction of the indices. So that is equal to x raised to 3 minus 1. Division means subtraction of the indices. And that is equal to x raised to 2. So first term, what I will write here, division is x raised to 2. So now, by this x raised to 2, I have to multiply this. X raised to 2 into x raised to 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, x raised to 3. Minus 4 into x square, minus 4x square. Okay. I have to subtract this. I will write minus sign here. This is plus here. It will become minus. This is minus here. It will become plus. See that this x cube is minus, this x cube is plus. So they will get cancelled. 0x plus 4x square. It is 4x square. Now I will take this plus 0x. Take this also down. Minus 64. Now once again I will take this first term and below that this term. So this 4x square is the first term here and here the first term is x. So this is 4 x raised to 2 minus 1 and that is nothing but 4x 2 minus 1. Division means subtraction of the indices. The index of this is 1. Okay. So what has come? Plus 4x plus 4x. Now this into this. 4x into x is 4x square. Now this 4x into minus 4, minus 16x. See this 4 4 the 16, minus sign and this x as it is. I have to subtract this. So this is plus, this will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. cancel this because they are same but opposite sign. So this is 16x plus 0 is 16x. This I will take down minus 64. Now once again the first term here is 16x upon the first term here is x. X cancel and that is equal to 16. So it is plus 16. Now by this 16 I will multiply this. 16 into x is 16x. 16 into 4 is 64 and this is minus 64 minus 16x remain. So this is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. 16x plus 16x minus 0. Minus 64 plus 64 0. So remainder is 0. This 0. So this is called as the remainder. This is called as the quotient. 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 This part is known as the dividend. And this is called as the divisor. These are all the names you have seen in the lower standard. And now I have to write it. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, dividend is this part. This is nothing but x cube minus 64. X cube minus 64 is equal to divisor. By what I have divided? X minus 4. There are two terms, so I will put the bracket into quotient. Quotient is this. X square plus 4x plus 16 and plus remainder plus 0. Now one thing I want to tell you, if the remainder is 0, then this is a factor of this. Remainder here in case is 0. So x minus 4 is a factor of x cube minus 64. So this was the first sum. I will take some other question also so that you will get the proper practice. Now the second one, 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2, and I have to divide it by x square minus x. So how I will write? I will write here as 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square, and plus x term is missing. I will write 0x because x term is not there, plus 2. In the sequence I will try to write divided by x square minus x. So what is our rule? This first upon this first. Don't forget this. This first is 5x raised to 5 upon the first of this is x square. So this is equal to 5. Division means subtraction of the indices. 5 minus 3. That is equal to 5x raised to 2. 5 minus 2. I am sorry. 5 minus 2. That is equal to 3. So what division has come? 5x raised to 3. this 5 x raised to 3. Now what is the work? By this, I will multiply this. The 5x cube into x square. So this 5 into here it is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Now x cube into x square. Multiplication means addition of the indices 3 plus 2 5 x raised to 5. Now to this I have multiplied. Now I have to multiply this and this. So here it is 5, here it is 1. And it is minus. So minus. 5 1 the 5. X raised to 3 into x raised to 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. X raised to 4. So this is all. Now I have to subtract them. I will use that side. So this is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. So this plus and this minus will get cancelled. Now see that this is plus 4 and this is plus 5. Plus 4x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 is equal to 9x raised to 4. Now take this down, minus 3x cube. If you want to take the whole thing, you can take whole thing plus 2x square plus this also plus 0x plus this 2. Okay. Now this first upon this first. So 9x raised to 4 upon this x raised to 2. See this first upon this first. This is known as the first law. First law means first upon first. This 9 x raised to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 9x square. So this plus 9x square is the division. I have written here. Now this into this into this. So 9 into 1 is 9. X raised to 2 into x raised to 2 means x raised to 2 plus 2 x raised to 4. Now this and this. 9 here it is minus 1. Minus 9 1 the 9. And x raised to 1 into x raised to 2 x raised to 3. 2 plus 1 3. This is over. I will write the minus sign and change this sign. This is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. So these are same with opposite sign, plus and this is minus. Now this is plus 9x cube. This is minus 3x cube. So this will be 6x cube. So it is actually 9x cube minus 3x cube. 6x cube. Take this down. Plus 2x square. Plus 0x. Plus 2. Take all this down. Again the first of this and first of this. So here I will write 6x cube. This is the first. And here the first is x raised to 2. That is equal to 6. Division means subtraction of the indices. X raised to 3 minus 1. That is equal to 3 minus 1 not 3 minus 2. And that is equal to 6x raised to 1. Not needed to write. This is plus, so plus 6x. Now by this 6x, I will multiply this and this. So if this is 6, it is 1. First of all, the multiplication of the numbers. 6 1 the 6. Now this x square into this x raised to 1. So x raised to 3. Now this minus 1 here it is and this plus 6. So minus 6. 6 1 the 6. X raised to 1 into x raised to 1. So x raised to 2. So this multiplication is over. So I will write the sign minus here and here I will change the signs. This is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. This 6x cube are opposite signs, so cancel. So this is plus 6x square plus 2x square, that is plus 8x square. This I will take down plus 0x plus 2. Now this first and this first. This first is 8x square upon this first is x square. This x square cut, and that is equal to 8. So plus 8. Now by this 8 I will multiply this. 8 into x square is 8x square minus x into plus 8 minus 8x. Give the minus sign here. This is positive, it will become negative. This is negative, it become positive because I am subtracting it. When I am subtracting, I have to change the signs. This plus and this minus gets cancelled. This 0x plus 8x is 8x plus 2. This is the remainder. Hope that you have understood this. So, this was a difficult sum for you, but now hope that you have understood this. Now what I have to write? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. QT means quotient. What is dividend? This is the dividend. So 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 is equal to divisor. Divisor is this, x square minus x into quotient. This is my quotient into quotient is 5x raised to 3 plus 9x square plus 6x and plus 8 plus remainder. Plus remainder is this much, 8x plus 2 is the remainder, and this is the answer they needed. Hope that you have understood this. I will go for question number 6. It is a word problem. Write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. The question is, there is a rectangular form. Question 6, there is a rectangular form. Rectangular form with length. Length is equal to 2a square plus 3b square. This is the length. Meter. And breadth. Breadth means b. Is a square plus b square meter. Okay. Then the farmer used a square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. In this farm, house is built. House is built. How is that? a square house is built. Square shaped. Square shaped house is built the side of the plot was a square minus width side a square minus b square meter. So this is the plot of the, in this farm, square shaped house is built. Or I want to build square shaped plot for house. For house is kept, I will say, is kept with side. This is kept reserve form. Okay. The side of the plot was a square. What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? Remaining part of farm is equal to question mark. So that they want, say suppose his farm, I will a rectangular farm. This is a rectangular farm. This is a rectangular farm with length 2a square plus 3b square. And the breadth of this is b equal to a square plus b square. This is a rectangular form, so all the angles are 90 degree. Rectangle. In this, see, suppose he has kept a square plot. This is the house. This plot is kept. What is the side? This side a square minus b square. This also a square minus b square. Because it is square shaped, a square minus b square. Now remaining part means what is the area of this part that they want? Excluding the house, what is remaining that they want to know? So, what is the area of the total farm that I want to know? Then what is the area of the house plot that I should know? Then I will subtract this from the total area. So, solution, area of farm is equal to L into B. That is equal to, L is how much? 2a square plus 3b square into, breadth is how much? A square plus b square. So I will multiply by this. So this is equal to 2a square into a square plus b square plus this 3b square into a square plus b square. This is the way of expanding. First of all, by this I will multiply a whole. Then by this I will multiply this whole. Now I will multiply this and this. So this is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 a square into a square, a square into a square. This is what? Plus. Now this and this. 2 into 1 is 2. Into a square into b square. A square into b square. Plus. Now this I will multiply. 3. 3 1s are 3. So 3 b square into a square. Now this and this plus. First of all the numbers. Here the number is 1. Here the number is 3. 3 1s are 3. Now b square and b square. B square into b square. I will expand this. This is a square into a square means addition of the indices 2 because the base is same. So 2a raised to 4 plus. These are not the like terms. So I cannot do anything. So here what I can write is 2 plus 2. But afterwards you should know. Orally you should write. Multiplication means addition of the indices 2 plus 2. Here the base are different. Here the base is a, here the base is b. So I cannot do anything to a square b square plus. Here also the base is the same, different. So 3 and this instead of writing b square a square I will write a square b square. You can write it 3 into 2. You can write 2 into 3. The same way. B square into a square, you can write a square into b square plus. So these 3 and here 1, 3 1s are 3. B square into b square is b raised to 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 2 a raised to 2 plus 2 4. Now these two are the like terms. These are the like terms a square b square. If I take a square b square common, in the bracket it will remain 2 plus 3. So 2a square b square plus 3a square b square is equal to 5a square b square. And plus 3b raised to 4. This is area of farm. Area of farm. So I am rubbing that figure because I don't have that sufficient place. Or here I can make the place. Area of house plot. House plot is equal to, for that also, how is this house plot? Square house plot I will write. Area of square house plot is equal to this length and this is also length. Length into breadth. But they are the same. So it is equal to side square. Side square. So that is equal to a square minus b square bracket square. So here I want to use the formula a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. But here at the place of a it is a square and at the place of b is b square. So what I will do is I will write like this, that is equal to a square square minus 2 ab means a square b square plus b square square. Because it is a bracket square. So index raised to index multiplication of the indices a raised to 4 minus this is 2a square b square and plus this is b raised to 4. Let me see whether you can see on the screen or not, or otherwise I will have to rub it. Yes, it has been fitted. Okay, this is the area of the square house plot. Now the figure I am rubbing. This formula, you know it. Here I will write the formula. a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So remaining part of the form, remaining part of form is equal to area of farm minus area of house plot. So this is equal to, let me see whether you can see every word. Yes, you can see every word. So this is equal to area of the farm. This is the area of the farm. 2 a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 minus area of the house plot is this, a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. That is equal to, I will open the brackets, 2a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4. Now this is the minus sign. While opening, I have to change the signs. So minus a raised to 4, this will become plus 2a square b square, and this will become minus b raised to 4. Now what I will do, I will collect the like term. This is a raised to 4 term, this is a raised to 4 term. So I will collect that. 2a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. Now this 5a square and this I will bring together, plus 5a square b square plus 2a square b square. Now this is remaining, this plus 3b raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Now see that this is 2 and this is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1a raised to 4, no, not needed to write 1. Now this plus 2, 5 and plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7, a raised to 2, b raised to 2. Now this is 3b raised to 4 minus 1b raised to 4, means 3 minus 1 is plus 2 and b raised to 4, and this is in square meter. Area it is, no? It is the area, so we have to write the unit square meter. This is the remaining area. Hope that you have understood it well. This is a very big sum, but you should understand it. And here this exercise is over. Afterwards we will go for exercise 3.3. So this exercise 3.2 is over. So do it properly. Now it is around almost 10:30. So I will stop the video.